But do you see one difference over here? The audience is not decreasing, so we are not filtering those people who, this is an or between the two. Okay, this is an or between the two. Or means that if either the person is this or this, means you can't really identify the real audience out of it. 29 crore people, almost 3 crore people are not entrepreneurs in India. So this is a wrong way of doing it. What is the correct way of doing is that their interest is entrepreneurship and they are founder and co-founder. Okay, so you see a sharp drop from 29 crores to 34,000. That gives you a filter. Okay, why this filter is required? Because lot of students start marking they are co-founder of XYZ organization, they're XY, but their interest is not entrepreneurship, their interest is not this. Okay, so you have to filter it out. You don't have to, you can select more options like co-founder, producer. Okay, and now you will get all suggestions. Okay, this is how you can increase your audience. And keep one thing in mind, your audience should be at least a lakh or a 2 lakh. Okay, it should not be less than that. If it is less than 2 lakh, then the costing would be very high. Okay, so that thing you have to keep in mind, that you should not do that, that you select some very low audience of 5,000, 10,000 people. The costing will be really, really high. To avoid that, the potential reach should be between at least 2 lakh to and maximum 30 lakh. Okay, why 30 lakh? Because after that, if you are targeting any audience, I don't think there are more than 30 lakh people who will be consuming that kind of content in India. Except it is like very massy kind of product like Amazon wants to reach out to everyone. Except that FMCG products, except that generally the audience for any specific type of target audience is between 2 lakhs to 30 lakhs. Aditya has raised a question. So, Aditya, please go ahead and ask.
I was asking, instead of typing out specific names, can we also go to browse and then select our target audiences?
Yeah, sure.
I was just exploring that browse thing.
I have shown you browse things as well. And in browsing, sometimes you get lot of options and you don't get lot of options. So why we have to search is like we type founders. So you might not knowing that Facebook can show you these different options. Okay, so you might not know कि ऐसा भी कोई title हो सकता है जिसमें आप chairman or managing director. It doesn't hit to me like I should target executive director or not. In browsing, you will not find job titles specifically. You find broader list into it. Okay.
Okay.
Like if you go on browser and I click on demographics and click on work and click on job title. If you look at, it doesn't give me a search option. So I don't know. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So that is where it gets problems. So this is how I can target. I can target anyone. Like in case of Aditya's business is he wants to target homeowners, like home owners. I'm not sure. If you look at this audience, I have just typed homeowners. That says the people who are living away from their primarily the people who have expressed interest in any home ownership scheme. Okay, like somebody see property ads is a home ownership that he's looking towards an home ownership. Okay, And then if he's looking for it, definitely he needs a loan. So he's your target audience. Okay. And then you can identify which kind of target, or you can further filter it. New first time buyers, or new house, somebody who has bought, who's buying property finder, who is house hunting right now. Okay. Who is looking for homes.com. Okay. Who is buying real estate, luxury real estate properties. So now you can target these people. Almost 85 lakh people you can target, and you can further filter it. Okay, you find homeowners. Okay, these are the way to find homeowners, and with their relationship status, I believe, or with their finance, every single day these options are increasing their income. Okay, it works in US, not in India now, till now. Okay, or with their relationship status, you can target them who got recently married. Maybe you filter it out that they are looking for homes. Okay, in browsing, people who got engaged, maybe they are looking for, or newly engaged couples, they may be looking for the new homes. Okay, so you can target, you can filter this audience. Like a lot of people in this age group are not looking for a home. Those who got recently married, they may be looking for a home. So that filters your audience to almost how much? 20 lakh from 85 lakh. You got 20 lakh people who are looking, like, who are searching for a home and who are newly married. So the chances of them buying a home are huge, and these people will take a loan are huge. So you get a filtered audience. Okay, this is again, you have to you have to think beyond a regular approach. You have to set up two levels of filter at least. The first level, second level. You can't target everyone. Somebody showing interest doesn't mean that he will buy it. But if he or she got married, newly married, or he's married, or he's engaged, the chances of him buying a home are more because he needs it. He wants to separate out from his family. He wants to move from a rented home to his owned home. That the chances and are higher. So that's why you selected. Is that clear? Audience, there is no parameter, but you have to keep two things in mind, that whenever you are selecting an audience, you have to select at least two levels, because Facebook first level audience never works. You will get very, 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 very poor quality of leads if you select one level of filters. If you don't select second level of filters, you will be suffering a lot. You will be getting very low quality leads. Means people will say, मैंने तो कभी कहीं नहीं, मैंने तो कभी form ही नहीं भरा. Okay, these kind of things
So
you will hear a lot.
Jatin, you said, I didn't hear that particular word. You said if the target audience is less, the cost of advertising will be high?
Sorry?
No, I was asking, I didn't hear a particular word. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
You said if the target audience is less, the cost of advertising will be high, is it?
Correct.
Okay. Then the more target audience, cost will be less.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. After that, placement, where you want to show your ads. As Facebook lead generation ad. Okay, give me a second.